Unit 10, Formative 1, Video 2, Mapping Diagrams and Graphs. So remember that a mapping is the ovals. So that's when we have the two ovals and we connect a number to a number. Okay. Alright, so create a mapping diagram for the set of points, and it is a function. So our first oval, remember, is your x values. Second one's going to be your y values. Okay, and remember, x is your domain and y is your range. Okay, so I have -2 is my x, 0, 1, and I have another one, so I'm not going to repeat. Okay, and then my y values, I have a 5, I already have that, a 7, and an 8. Okay, and what you have to do with mapping is you just draw a line. So we have, -2 to 5. So I'm going to draw a line from -2 to 5. And then I have 0, 5. So I'm going to draw a line from 0 to 5. And then I have 1 to 7. Okay, and then I have a 1 to 8. Okay, and that's a mapping. Okay, the next thing I ask, is it a function? No, it is not a function, and the reason is because this x value is used more than once. So you can just put x value used more than once. Okay, remember your x value can only be used one time for it to be a function. Alright, so next one says represent the data in the coordinate plane and is it a function. So we're going to plot the points. So I have 1, -3. So 1, -3. So I'm going to put a point there. 1, 0, 3, 2, and then 4, 4. Okay, so that's the first part of it. And the second thing is a function. Whenever it's a graph, we're going to do a vertical line test to determine if the functions. Okay, so we're going to just start at one end. I'm going to start here. Draw a vertical line and make sure I only go through one point. That was good. That was good. Okay, 1, and here I went through 2 points. So it is not a function, and it is not a function because of the vertical line test. Okay, that's it.